Hello, good morning, good evening, and welcome to Bigg World Cinema. Without further ado, we'll continue with what you're here for. And to ensure this channel survives, please don't skip the ads. Thank you. So I'm standing with a landmark in the background. I wonder if you can spot the landmark in the background. This is Kuala Lumpur with the Petronas Towers in the background. And it's now 7:12 p.m. in the evening and the towers are starting to light up. Aren't they spectacular? I've just had a few happy hour beers on the roof terrace at Hilton Garden Inn South at £6 or $7.50 a pop. Fortunately, they cocked up, and instead of charging me $15 for 3 beers, they only charged me $7.50. Yay! Happy Buffday! Thank you, Hilton. I was trying to remember the different countries where I've celebrated my birthday in April, so mainly back at home in the UK. But this century also Thailand, Japan, India, Vietnam, the Philippines, and now Malaysia. I normally treat myself to a few beers and a curry on my Buffday, and this year was no different. Gosh, the past year has flown past. I can clearly remember going for a curry at the Indian restaurant at Cebu Yacht Club with LJ on my birthday last year in the Philippines. I hadn't even started my channel at that time. Who'd have thought that just a year later I'd be monetised and have 6,500 subscribers? Certainly not me. Happy days! Tuesday morning, 8:30. I've been in KL since Friday night, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I've spent 3 days here. I've not seen hardly anything. Just been editing videos in my room. It's a lovely room, so I'm quite happy to stay in there. The internet is good, and so I haven't explored KL yet, but there's plenty of time. It's a great city. It looks like a great city. My first impressions are I love the architecture, I love the streets, I love the food because I'm a big Indian fan, so it's all looking good. The roof terrace on top of Hilton South. This is my outlook. Hello. 1412.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Excellent, sir.
Good. Glad to hear it.
Let me show you the table, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
May I get coffee or tea for you, sir?
White coffee, please, with sugar. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
I told one of the hospitality managers that I was staying here for my birthday weekend. So the next day, around half a dozen staff came marching over to me at breakfast to sing happy birthday to me, which was a tad embarrassing. Unfortunately not caught on camera. Well, not mine anyway. Although a British guy did come over to me in the pool later in the day to remind me how cringeworthy it was. Thanks, fella.
Potato O'Brien, they're called, apparently.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Thank you very much. The same hospitality manager warned me this was monsoon season in KL. She said to be back at the hotel by 4 p.m. She wasn't wrong. Each day at that time, the heavens opened, like clockwork. Certainly different to the unpredictability of monsoon weather in the Philippines. But they're very organised in Malaysia, and even predict when it will rain. And also different to the weather I experienced in Vietnam. During my 30 days in Vietnam, I hadn't experienced any rain at all. Not one single drop.
So this should set me up for the day. Hello, smiling, happy face.
Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, and you have a lovely day. So I need to unwrap this, see what's in here. That's lovely.
Here at BWC, we are a sharing community. So could you kindly keep Uncle content by sharing this video with your friends? Thank you.
So this is my 38 quid room in Hilton Garden South in Kuala Lumpur. What does 38 quid get you nowadays? A desk, TV, 2 beds, cupboard space, kettle, coffee, fridge, safe, hanging space. Bathroom. Foot up into the bathroom. I keep stubbing my toe on this bloody ledge. Anyway, got a terrible bum gum. Yeah,
What? I just don't understand these places. Look. Separate lever. That is bloody useless, that bum gun. Better off wiping your own arse. Lovely sink, 38 quid, lovely sink. Cosmetics, towels. It's pretty good bathroom. Decent shower. And then of course the view. Of course that's what we paid for. That's what I paid me 38 quid for, the view of the city. I paid for a city view. A nice area though, it's a decent area. Looks a bit run down, but I like staying in areas with character. And there's the city over there, where I walked to yesterday. Not far away, it only takes 15 minutes to get to the city. So from the hotel, there's a market. Leads all the way down here towards Petronas Towers. Sorry, Petronas Tower. You can only see one tower because there's a building in the way. I'm paying extra for a city view with towers, but not actually seeing the towers. I should get half my money back.
Just a quick reminder to please click the thumbs up button if you liked the video, or thumbs down button if you didn't, obviously. Thank you.
If you liked the video, please could you like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to ding the notification bell to see my videos before your friends. See you on the next video. Take care everyone.